Alright, so today I'm just working on changing out the stabilizer bar bushings. Here's the old one on the passenger side. You can see it's completely shot. Brand new ones. I already got the stabilizer bar dropped down on this side here. You can see the stabilizer bar itself unbolted, or stabilizer link I meant, right back there. Alright, so I'm just gonna make sure down here is all clean where the bushing sits. So I'm just gonna wipe with a rag here quick. And also wipe down this stabilizer bar itself too here. So I brought some of this silicone lubricant out to help me get this bushing on. Now I'm just gonna get this stabilizer bar back up in the correct position here. Alright, so I took a little bit of prying, the pry bar right here to get this bar back up. And now we just gotta go ahead and get this stabilizer link back in and bolt it on quick. Alright, so after like 5 minutes of fighting with it, finally got the stabilizer link back into the bar, just tightening it on. And then we're gonna go ahead and install the bushing bracket itself next. And then we'll jump to the other side. So just make sure your bushing's seated correctly, which you can see mine's not. So, alright, it's a lot better. And then these are 13 mil. I'll make sure you do this as even as possible. Alright, so I got this bushing mounted on, stabilizer link bolted on. We're gonna go ahead and get this wheel back on, and I'm gonna jump over to the other side here quick. Side's done. Let's go ahead and jump over to the driver's side now. Alright, so to break this stabilizer link itself free quick, so you can loosen it easily. I just took the impact again, put it on a lower setting, and then it's a 19 mil, by the way. And then I backed it off the rest of the way with the It is T40 and a 19 mil. That. Alright, this one was stripped and I just barely got it, so gotta love rust. Alright, there's a new bushing in. Gotta go ahead and get the bracket on. Get the stabilizer link back in. Just need to finish tightening the stabilizer link right there. Then we'll go ahead and put the wheel on and take it for a test drive.